It's LollyTV. So what we're going to be making today is a snow globe. So what we're going to be needing: tape, scissors, a marker, rubber band, whatever color would you like, but I choose glitter blue. And we're also going to need some gems and sparkly sprinkles, whatever they're called, but we need that, and some corn syrup. If this is heavy, this is what it looks like. And a glass bottle. You can do whatever size you want, but I'm just choosing the small one. We're also going to need some confetti, and we're going to need a shiny bag. Here is the most importantly picture of my dad and my baby form. I always looked so serious when I was a baby, but now I don't because I'm going to 5 years old. So, you can see my face right there. And let's get started. I love this picture. So we're gonna draw it out however you want. You can do a heart, a circle, a triangle, whatever you want. But I'm just gonna draw out a heart. That's what it looks like. But that's what it looks like. And now let's cut it. This is what it looks like. Make sure it fits in the bottle. Mine looks a little bit big, so I'm gonna make it smaller. And you can see that I cut my dad's hair off. It's too big. There. It's a little bit more smaller. If it doesn't fit, or if it's small, you just do this. Just put it on the bottle, and that's what it's gonna look like. So mine is perfect. Tape it up, tape. So you gotta tape it up real good. You can see those extra tapes. So you're just gonna tape it up on the back. I made the picture. Make sure to tape it up on the back everywhere. You off the tape, all those little extras. We're gonna cut it off so it won't look that ugly. There we go. Look at that. Now we're gonna put this in the bottle. Put the picture in the bottle like this. Ta-da! That is magic. I'm gonna fill this up with corn syrup, just like this. That's what it looks like. Now, this is what it looks like. Now, we're add some sprinkles. Comment down below if you like sprinkles or whatever they are. But comment down below if you like these. Oh, more cheeses. What is that? I just put a whole bunch. Now you're going to grab these if you want some. And I'm going to choose the color pink. I don't want any more. So that's enough. And then you're going to put the cap on. And that's what it looks like. When you shake it, it's going to look pretty cool, I think. I'm going to shake it, I think. Gotta put it down. How do we shake this? Oh no, it's stuck again. Crackers. If you jump for too much next time, because then it gets stuck right there. But that's still okay. It will still look nice, right? I'll be right back. There we go. And that's what it looks like. I don't think you can see very much, but... And now, we're going to grab our little thing. Oh, okay. Oh no. And this is how much I want, or how much you want. I'm just gonna... Okay guys, I have tied it, and look how cute that is. It's so cute. So now, we take special case. So we're gonna put this bottom in there. And then we're gonna grab a confetti and pour it in the case. That's good. I'm gonna put some more. Now, this is what it looks like. Can't really see the bottle because it's covered. That's a good thing. If you want some sprinkles, you can put some sprinkles, which I would like some sprinkles. So you can put there. Okay, use the whole entire bottle. And you could see all that glitter in there. So now, happy Father's Day. Bye! Bye! Bye!